I hope I just shared my screen. Do you see my screen here?
Yes, we see.
Perfect. So in order to explain what Edumedia is, I think I just have to show Edumedia. It is very visual. So I will show the resources in science and math, K-12, that we provide in HTML5. Everything works online. And we maybe for those who with Classera options, you will see very soon a new tab. I think I'm in the public library called Edumedia Library. And then within this library, you will be able to have a list of simulations, animations, and videos, just dealing with science and math. Everything is very easy to play with. I just click on the simulation, and then it will launch the simulation. You will get some explanations, and then you get the simulation. A simulation look like this. This is interactive. I just click to explain. In this topic, it is about the anaerobic digestion. So it is what you can do with some disposal, and you can do it, make gas out of it or whatever. So you have the visual part and something that is visual here. And what is nice, it is that everything exists. Almost everything in Arabic. It means that if I just switch here in language in Classera, then I can switch to, I don't know, I will choose this one dealing with simple machines. And then you get the same, a simulation with some explanations. So in this case, sorry, you can switch the kind of lever and simple machine you want to show. That's it. So it is made for teachers. So teachers are able to use it within Classera and to take all advantage to be in Classera. It means that when I have a simulation, I just click on this button, as you know, and I will put this content inside mathematics, and this is a new title. I can modify this, and I can publish, select the date of publication, and I will say, okay, my student will get that at this date. So you know about Classera, and this is a new product that you may be take advantage of. So in order to complete my presentation, I will just show you a few simulations. I will switch to the Edumedia website. I don't have any PowerPoint, so I use the Edumedia website. As you can see, we have plenty of those kind of simulations. So it means that in this case, I'm just for the elementary school content. So when you get something interesting for you, you just click on the simulation, and then you get this animation dealing with the life cycle of a frog. I'm not speaking Arabic, but I know this simulation. And then you get this simulation, and you have some explanations below. As a teacher, I will use it. I will make a pause, and I will explain something. And get life sciences, earth sciences, physics, astronomy, chemistry, technology, and all this stuff. You can filter and find that in Classera portal. What I could say, we do have some animation, what I call an animation. So I was in elementary school, but I can switch to, for example, this one, dealing with epidemic. I like this one because it is like a new one that we've built in order to support teachers when they want to explain the epidemic model. Maybe I will switch in Arabic. I can play with the simulation, even in Arabic. And then I will explain that there is a population here of healthy people, but those healthy people, if I have one here in red infected, then if I just play around and I have this all the people moving around, well, I can explain what's happening there. And I will just do confinement, what we just experienced, all of us, and then it will start stopping and going low. But then if we do the confinement, like now, too early, you see what will happen. Maybe you will get some problems in the near future. So what we expect, it is, for example, vaccination, because when we vaccine, then you get maybe more control on that, and eventually can eradicate. So this was just a few examples. I can just give you another one. These are simulations, but we also have few videos. What we call videos is something like, well, I have to select one of them. Wait a minute. Videos are like this little topic. So when I click on video, then it is no longer a simulation. It is just a video. So I click on video. Maybe you will hear
رغم أنه من المحتمل الخلط بين مفهومي الوزن والكتلة،
فهما في الحقيقة مقدارين مختلفين، إذ تتعلق الكتلة بطبيعة.
Okay, I stop this. You understand, all of you, what is a video is, but I would say that most of the time, the best thing for teachers, science teachers, math teachers, when they want to illustrate something in science, mostly they prefer to get the interactivity. They will say, okay, I want to explain what is, I don't know what is this homothétie, I think. And then I will say, okay, if I move this, what's happening? If I move this, what's happening? Or I will remove this, I will change the parameters here, what's happening, and so on. So then you keep the control, and this is all the stuff that you will get very soon, or maybe now in Classera, and taking advantage of all the sharing options, authoring tools, and I mean social activities that you can have about the assessment, making a quiz, or making some motivation among your students. So that's it. I think you may have some questions, but I would say that you will discover all these hundreds of simulations dealing just in math and sciences, and also just in, well, it will be available in English and Arabic, and I would say, I think some of you are from Morocco, but it is available in French, so maybe for higher grades, you can take advantage of that as well. So that's it, a simulation within the environment of Classera, and all the opportunities to do what you want with that.
Mr. Dr. Charles.
Yes.
Nice.
I have some trouble to hear you.
أعتقد أنك تجارب المحاكاة على كلاسيرا أصبحت هي متاحة الآن ومتاحة لفترة. دكتور تشارلز.
Yes.
Thanks. You can complete our webinar. Mr. Ahmed, you can make a brief about the talk with Mr. Dr. Charles.
يعطيك العافية. Thank you Dr. Charles. شركة إديوميديا هي شركة رائدة بصنع المحتوى التفاعلي طبعا ب3 لغات زي ما احنا شفنا، باللغة العربية والفرنسية والإنجليزية. طبعا أيضا هي مبنية على مخرجات تعلم وتعليم عن طريق فريق متخصص في ذلك، وزي ما احنا شفنا هو عرض حي وفعلي من داخل كلاسيرا، بحيث انها حاليا هي صارت متكامله او فول انتجريتد مع نظام خاص بكلاسيرا. يعني من حسابك كمعلم والطلاب بيقدروا عن طريق حساباتهم يفوتوا على مكان تاب مخصص اسمها إديوميديا. مجرد ما يدخلوا على هذه التاب راح يلاقوا فيها يقدروا يسووا فلتر على اللغه اللي بدهم اياها، سواء كان بالعربي او بالفرنسي او بالانجليزي. وزي ما احنا شفنا كل هذه المحتويات او الفيديوهات الموجوده هي محتويات تفاعليه، بحيث انه نقدر نوصل المعلومه للطالب قدر الامكان بطريقه تفاعليه، بحيث انه طبعا اكيد بنعرف انه كل ما كان المحتوى تفاعلي كل ما ممكن يكون رسخ او علق في ذهن الطلاب بشكل اكثر. ولله الحمد طبعا تم اتاحه هذه المحتويات حاليا وهي موجوده على كلاسيرا. شكرا.